Good morning, YouTube. All right, we are 8 minutes after the market open, and NQ is playing around. This is the 15 minute. This is the 5 minute. As you can see, it looks like it's trying to inverse this M5 FVG, but we're gonna play the waiting game and see what comes about. Um, this is what I would consider up here, LR. Um, a lot of sell stops up there, protected positions. This could be looked at as liquidity as well. We do have 10 o'clock news inbound. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait till the 10 o'clock news to see if it shows as a hand. These are my two targets for today. We got 4 hour equal lows, and then we have the Friday low, and then the FVG, which I stated in yesterday's video. I want to see that inverted. So stand by. Back again. So we did invert on this 5 minute FVG. This is like a B minus setup. I feel like it's a pattern trade, but if you look at the lower time frames right now, let me show you. We did sweep this right here, minor liquidity. I would not take the trade 20 minutes before news because we could pump down and fake like we're going to inverse and then end up just shooting higher. So we're just still in standby mode. This 15 minute is still an overlapping FVG as well. I have that annotated in my head. I will be looking for a better 15 minute closer, so I'm gonna take away this. We're gonna take away this 5 minute FVG, and we're just gonna make it a 15 minute. We're gonna play it off the 15 today, so we got to be a little bit extra patient. And we have news inbound, so let's just stand by and wait. Okay, quick update. If we invert this 15 minute FVG, just look for higher prices. There's no need to even sugarcoat it or do anything crazy like that. If we invert this 15 minute FVG, just look for higher prices. That's it. It'd be like a last line of defense type thing. So we're just still playing hurry up and wait right now. No trades. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wait this last. Right now it's 9:49. I'm gonna wait this last 11 to 10 minutes for the news data to drop, and we'll just take it from there.
Man, what's up, y'all? Not a so good start to the month, bro. Not the start we wanted, but hey, it's not about how you start, it's how you finish. Low key got clapped this morning, and we was, up. And you know what that's getting me to say? We starting that fucking dumbass June price action again, bro. That summer price action that gets wacky, bro. So that shit really got me contemplating on starting to trade like London and pre-London, man. Cause London and pre-London, like I noticed if you ever go back test London pre-London, it's like 2 setups for real. But hey, get off the charts. Hey, reset. I might look for a setup for the PM session. I don't think I'm trading no live accounts. I think I'm just gonna load the eval, trade that, and then we'll go from there. Man, hey, days like this, hey, you cannot, like, hey, I'm a preacher of this, you cannot win them all. If you think you're gonna show up, and be a beast every day on the charts, nope. But hey, as long as you consistently show up, that's all that matters. At the end of the day, stick to your plan. Hey, I was in profit. Shit came back against me. It didn't deliver like how it normally delivers, man. Like, that's just the market sometimes. Like sometimes it's gonna go straight to TP and slap that shit. Sometimes it's gonna go down there, you pump fake you. Maybe I should have been at break even, but man, we ain't sweating that shit. So I did do a small little commentary, and then I started getting into positions and started getting clapped. Y'all probably ain't want to hear that shit anyway. Niggas is getting clapped. There was no need to hit the record button. That goes to show you I am not perfect at this trading shit. Am profitable, able to pull out profits within the market, bro. But hey, every day is not a fucking win, bro. But it is 11:15 right now, so I'll probably be in the gym for like an hour 30. Do we need to record today's workout? I might record for shits and giggles. What we got today? We back. We reset. We back on push. So we got chest, triceps, biceps. Might do some abs. But yeah, that's for the most part. I'll tap back in with y'all. Damn, I low-key want. Damn, I'm on my phone right now. Let me set this camera up. Let me set this camera up real quick and show y'all what happened. Give me 1 second, y'all. Let me turn everything on. Mic on. Yep. All right. My dumb ass, I wasn't even recording, y'all. So look, what I got marked out. Y'all see that big rectangle box right there? That is a 4-hour FEG. I missed to mark that earlier. We want that to act as resistance because we already pushed all the way down through it, and now we're coming back up to it. We pushed back through the new week opening gap that we set at Sunday's open. So look at us. Now mark that LR out. That's all those little highs right there. I expect all those highs to get ran today and then us to push back down, man. It only makes the most sense. Here's but at times fucking NQ doesn't make sense like that all the time. Look at this shit. Look at that shit. That shit's about to go hunt sell stops. Bro, look at this shit. I had this shit, and that's me being stubborn. I entered around right here, and with my stops just above it. And bro, I was in heavy profits. Focus, hold on, I'm waiting for it to focus. If you all see, my target was Friday low. TP1 would have been, we got equal lows on a 4-hour. I'm sorry, y'all, this video shitty. But we got equal lows, that's the first line. We got equal lows on a 4-hour. And then fucking Friday, we got Friday's low. You cannot tell me that's not the fucking draw. Obviously, it's not the draw on liquidity right now. So for lunch, I expect us to push up into the 500s. Once again, fucking clear all that shit out, nasty work. And then PM session, hopefully it delivers smoothly to the downside. If not, fucking it's gonna have been doing Asian or London session watch, like some dumb shit. Or some more fucking wacky ass news gonna come out, and we just gonna be pushing to the fucking 30,600 level type shit. So yeah, that's what the fuck we was working with this morning. That's what we got clapped up on. The shit is what it is, bro. I take my losses gracefully. When I win, I win gracefully. I lose gracefully, bro. I'm not fucking around here swinging and punching that shit. I type my parameters into my fucking AI assistant, and then we go on from there. But the day is not over with, so that's the great thing about trading. Got a PM session, so we're gonna go in here and get a fucking good workout in, clear our mind, reset, and then I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Peace.
Get money. Don't be calling me lucky, it was hard work to go hop in them Porsches. Fuck you mean you want 500? I could go to DR, give them 40. My bro hit the block with them books. I follow that yellow brick road like I'm Dorothy. Man, this whole thing I'm trigger happy. I hit hella thick holes in the 40s. Okay, he getting money, well tell him go spend some. You say you's a trapper, you should know the profit ain't got shit to do with the income. You say you's a trapper, you know what's the difference. You hop on that flight or they send something. My niggas getting tired of vacuum sealing at the telly. We might have to rent something. When I look back on life, it was gay how we used to put crack in our ass when the dick's coming. Gotta take off when you see that Vic coming. Had to fuck up that road overnight with a swipe and a fake ID on me like McLovin. You ain't safe, get no chicken, no sibling. Them niggas will put your ass up there from big.
Oh shit, I parked on this side today. workout complete. We took them morning losses. Don't accept nothing that you wouldn't accept in a win, that you won't accept in a loss. The same way we motherfucking turned up when we fucking turned up and hit the gym when we win. We're gonna fucking turn up and hit the gym on them fucking red days too. But on everything I love, all that shit is temporary, man. We just gotta be able to handle and accept them fucking losses, that's all. This shit's all a part of the fucking game, man. And then not only accept them shits, this motherfucker chin up, chest out when we accept them motherfuckers. Who gives a fuck? Like, in that moment, my bad, y'all. I know this motherfucker camera everywhere. I know in that moment, taking a loss, that shit a beast. But I promise you, that shit fucking temporary. Like, we'll be back on the charts by 1:30, 1 o'clock. We work out complete. We was down there in the gym 2 hours a day. I had to take that shit out on myself. Like, release the anger and the frustration out on yourself, doing something else. So back up from the charts, man. Don't overtrade no more. I took a fat, solid loss. Don't think I overtraded. Motherfucker, markets just ain't fucking, they just moved against me. Fuck it. And the grand scale of things, that shit small, fam. That shit small as hell. It's more to it than just today. So, about to go freshen up a little bit, make a goddamn quick shake, and we back on them charts. Peace.
Okay, real quick, here's the setup I took a short on and lost. All right, this is it on the 1 minute. My stops were so tight, but bro, as you can see, why did I not move my stop to break even? I don't even know, because I think I just set and forgot that trade and just walked away. And it purged all the way down here and came against me. And I should have already known to even just cut sling load after that. But it is what it is. You live and you learn. We'll be back at it again tomorrow. But we'll go over this PM price action coming up here shortly. I could not shake shit after this. After 1 o'clock right here. I guess that would have been my entry, bro. I wouldn't even sit down. I wasn't sitting down till like 1:30. Bro, it's this fucking bullishness is, bro, unprecedented, bro. So there's like no entries. We inverted this after hours. I was not even entertaining this. So no trading for the PM session. Right now, Asia session. What do we got? Attack this low. This is where the NWAG is at, so that will act as a magnet for price. Let's see if we can find any FEGs. 4 hour. This price action is not for the week. So this is a small 4 hour FEG in there. Excuse my son in the background. Right there, it is not for the week. So we'll sit out on the sideline, man. But I will be back in with you all tomorrow, Tuesday morning. Until next time, trade smart, trade with a plan. It's prolific, and we out.